If you are interested in qualifying for the Scroll Layer 2 airdrop, and if you want to get the largest airdrop possible, then you have to do this ASAP. The team from Scroll is providing an Origins NFT for people that deploy a smart contract to the Scroll Layer 2 network in the first few days of the network's launch. Now you can see that there is a timer ticking down right here, and there's just over 30 days left before the qualification for this NFT is completed. And the reason why it might be very important to qualify for this and mint this NFT is that if you remember in previous airdrops, for example with Aptos, people got thousands of dollars simply for minting an NFT. And so by having this in your wallet, you will prove that you deployed a smart contract to the Scroll network right when it launched, and that could be either a qualification for the airdrop or a multiplier for the airdrop. And there's actually 3 different versions of this NFT that are going to be available depending on when you deploy your contract to the Scroll network. And the first one, being within 30 days of the Genesis block of the network, actually ends today in a couple of hours. But if you missed that, don't worry, you can still deploy a contract and qualify for this NFT, although it won't be the best version of it. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way that you can deploy an ERC20 or a token contract to Scroll network. It's super simple. You don't have to be a coder. You don't have to know anything about Ethereum programming language. All you have to do is click a few buttons by using this website right here, thirdweb.com. And I will put links to both of these websites that I just showed you in the description of this video. So this is very simple. All you're gonna wanna do is hit on this button right here that says deploy a token contract. And this is a prefabricated copy-paste token contract, but by hitting on the deploy now button, you will be actually deploying a contract to the Scroll network. So it's gonna look like your wallet is a deployer or a developer wallet, and then you'll be able to mint this NFT and potentially get a better airdrop. So how it works is once you navigate to this page, you have to sign in by connecting a MetaMask wallet or whatever Web3 wallet you're using. And once you sign a message, then you'll be good to go. So you just wanna hit on this button here that says deploy now, and it's going to bring you to this page where you can choose the name of your token, the symbol of your token, and you can upload an image if you're interested in that. So let's call our token Scrolly and make the symbol SCRL. For the description, I'll just put Scroll FTW, and then for the image, I will upload my PFP. Now the next step, and this is an important one, is to choose which network you want to deploy this token contract to. So you're just going to have to make sure that you're deploying it to the Scroll network. So I'm actually just going to search for it here. That'll be easier. Yeah, there we go. And then you'll have to switch to the correct network in your wallet. And then, oh, I have to re-upload the picture. And then you can hit on the deploy now button, and you're gonna have to pay a gas fee for this transaction, but it won't be too bad, and it's definitely worth it. Yeah, as you can see, it's gonna cost me about 68 cents to deploy this contract, so let's go ahead and confirm that. And after a couple of seconds, then you have to sign a second contract. This one actually doesn't cost you any gas fees though, and then it's gonna add it to your dashboard. Now there's 1 or 2 more things that we can do now to actually improve the quality of this interaction with the Scroll network. So you can see now this is showing up in my dashboard, the Scrolly token, but I haven't actually minted any tokens yet. So by hitting on this, I can choose to mint some tokens. So let's mint a supply of 100 million Scrolly tokens, and this will charge us another gas fee, only 13 cents this time, so pretty reasonable. So there we go. Now the total supply shows up here, 100 million Scroll tokens, all of which are owned by me. And then if I wanted to do another interaction with the contract, I could burn some tokens, or I could airdrop some, or transfer them to someone else. But honestly, at this point, it's not necessary, because if I go back over to this page here, I will now qualify, if I connect my wallet, to mint this NFT. So let's scroll down here and hit on this button that says check eligibility. And it says you are eligible to mint the NFT. Come back on December 14th to claim it. So that is all that you need to do. It's very simple, as you can see. Literally anybody can do it. You don't have to be a developer, but you'll qualify to mint one of these developer NFTs, which could definitely help you in your Scroll airdrop journey. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.